Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you pink salt trick recipe for weight loss, Lagitor scan. As per a few resources that will on the things weight loss, incorporating a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt soap, a recipe that consists of water saturated with Himalayan pink salt, into your morning routine should help in your weight loss journey. But you also know this, salt water is water saturated with pink Himalayan salt. Countless health claims circulate around the product, and proponents suggest that it can help you to weight loss, balance your hormones, decrease muscle cramps, and improve sleep. While these benefits sound impressive, there is no research to back them up. Salt water is water saturated with pink Himalayan salt. Countless health claims circulate around this product, and proponents suggest that it can help you to weight loss, balance your hormones, decrease muscle cramps, and improve sleep. While these benefits sound impressive, there is no research to back them up. So there is no research available related to this. You will need to avoid these type of products and consult a health expert. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. Thank you.